Hello everyone, this is Nishi from Cooker in Japan. Today, I have incredible news to share. I have a question for you, Naruto. What do you do when your boss asks you to make a manual for Adobe Premiere Pro?
Well, definitely I'm gonna get a little disappointed. Take about 2-3 days.
2-3 days, yeah. So maybe you take screenshots and copy and paste them to slides and add your comments. It's over, Naruto.
What? It's over?
Over. Gemini can make manuals just from a video. And today I created a gem to make this super easy. Let's get started. Alright, let's look at the screen. I prepared a video like this. It shows the flow of editing for my YouTube. This is Adobe Premiere Pro to edit the video. This is no audio video, okay? No audio. And the flow of editing. This time I upload this file to the gem, okay? I created a super gem. The name is Create Manual. I upload this movie, insert, no prompt, and submit.
I'm really surprised because you even didn't type any prompt yet.
Yes.
So I'm not very sure how it's gonna go.
Yes, and also no audio, all right? Like this. So watch this reply. Video review and approval procedure. Okay, this is a procedure. Panel activation and login, project creation selection, sequence export settings, preview link generation and copying, team notification, via chat. This is the manual. The gem analyzes the video and creates instructions. For example, click the edit button, change the color, rename your files. No audio, that is okay. Gemini can create manual.
No matter with audio?
No matter with audio, yes, it's okay. So Gemini can understand just the visuals, and the best part is here. You can see the numbers on the right side. Right side, okay? At 009, 018. So what is this? These are timestamps. If we know the exact time, it's so much easier to make manuals. Naruto, don't you think this is convenient?
I'm so impressed.
Yeah.
Because right now we need to create some materials to teach someone to make videos in the same quality.
Yes.
But it takes a lot of time.
Yeah, exactly. After that, I will use it 003 and I select 003. And I screenshot this screenshots, okay? And open the slides, okay? Blank slide, and paste it, okay? And create the shapes like callouts, okay? Insert callouts and copy these instructions, okay? And copy it. This is manual.
That's it.
Yes.
So easy, Nishi.
Yeah, it's amazing, right? So I want to recommend this to all shop owners. In the shop business, creating manuals for employees is very hard. So 2 years ago, I went to California. 50% of the employees were Spanish speakers. If you use Gemini, language doesn't matter. This use case is very practical. You should start to use it today.
Nishi, you need to give me this prompt right now.
All right, I'll show you the prompt of this gem, okay? So, edit. So I create this gem, and this is the instruction, output requirements. Numbered explanatory text, quality standards detailed enough for a beginner to reproduce. This is the point. Professional layout, logical organization of steps, use concise noun-based or imperative phrasing. I want to share this prompt for viewers of our channel.
Yes, we'll add this in the description.
Yes, check it. How was it? I think this is the best practical use cases. So many people use Gemini, but many people worry about using it in business cases. So this channel always shows you practical ways to use it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.